What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today, guys. Welcome back. For those of you that's here for the first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, this channel is an affiliate marketing channel. I'm an affiliate for numerous opportunities, and I show you guys these opportunities that you can invest in and you make a commission. Okay, all right, so this is just another one of my programs, and I'm into home-based business, make money online, work from home niche. Okay, this is one of the programs, the Postcard Tycoon, that I've been an affiliate for since 2016. Okay, I stand behind the program. The company is WTM Pub. The owner is Eric Pantalone. He's the one that's on this website right here. Okay, what I love about this program, first of all, it pays $300 commissions. Okay, $300 commissions every time someone buys the program. You are a reseller of this program. When you invest your one-time payment, this gives you the resale rights to sell the program over and over and over again, and you make a commission. Okay, now it has a 24/7 number right here on the screen. You can go ahead and check it out. It comes with a website, a personalized website for you. It will have your name and number at the bottom corner of this website, so it personalizes it. Okay, and the only way people can sign up is through the website. All right, so let's take a look at this program. I like that it comes already with a welcome kit. Okay, it comes with a welcome kit. You're going to get 250 postcards and 250 leads to get you started. Okay, out the gate. That's what you're going to have. All right, and then after every fifth sale, as you can see on the website, go read it and check it out. Go to www.thepostcarddiva.com and check it out. After every fifth sale, the company is going to give you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps for life. Okay, they also give you an option, which I think is pretty cool. If you say, hey, well, you know what, I don't want the postcards, the 500 postcards, 500 stamps this month, just send me an extra $200. They'll do that as well. Okay, the other thing is you can send an email to the company if you have any questions, and they will get back with you as well. So you've got customer service. Okay, I don't have to handle any of the fulfillment issues. We are not responsible for sending out any kits. As an affiliate or reseller, we're not responsible for sending out any commissions. The company does that. The other thing that I love is the commissions are paid directly from the person that joins you. There's no middle guy. No one signs up and sends the whole commission to the company. Okay, what happens is it's $4.98 to get in. $300 comes to you in your name. $198 is in the company name, so it's going to be 2 money orders. Okay, they both will go to the company, and then they will just forward you your commission. So there's no middle guy. That's why I've stuck with this program so long, because I don't have to worry about any problems with my commissions and wonder, you know, if the company has the money they're holding. Okay, don't have to worry about that because the $300 portion of mine is in my name. Okay, so that's what I love mostly. All right, so just thumb through this website at your leisure when you get a moment, and you can go check it out. But $300 a pop. There's no one up, no pass up. There's no levels. Okay, it's just direct sales, $300 over and over, directly paid to you. Okay, so you can become a postcard tycoon. Okay, with this thing. So it's about to be 6 years old, guys. So it's a solid program. It's been around, and I've been a part of it for the whole entire time. Okay. So real quick, I'm just going to go over this. This is on the website, but I want you to go check it out at www.thepostcarddiva.com and look at it for yourself. Read over it. Okay. And there's a FAQ section. If you have any questions after you've done that, reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer the questions. But it tells you right here, well, what are you getting? You get a master dealership certificate. Okay. Lifetime enrollment as an authorized dealer. Once you make your one-time investment, you get a report. You are able to get the 5 for life, which I just mentioned. You get the product package is a CD-ROM, a mail order success manual, direct mail response list sources. Okay, so they tell you where to get your leads from. You get dealership rights, a print and mail service. Let's say you say, well, I don't want to do the mailing. Do you have a company that can do all that for me? They provide that for you in your welcome kit. As well as I mentioned before, you get 250 postcards and 250 leads to get you started. Access to the print and mail service, which I just mentioned, that 24/7 number. Okay, so you get all that with the program. Okay, and now you're able to make $300 commissions over and over and over. Okay, so your job would be to just mail the cards. The company would do the fulfillment. Okay, it's not going to be your responsibility to mail out any kits or anything like that. All right, so you're going to have to be consistent with your mailings, just like any other program. Even if it was an online business, if you're not consistent with promoting and marketing it, nothing's going to happen. Okay, so the Tycoon. All right, so come down. Let's take a look. I'm going to show you how it's personalized right here. See a FAQ section, so go read that and check it out. Okay, most of your questions may be answered right here. But if you keep coming down, this is what I want you to see. It's personalized, right? So if someone goes to your site, once they get your card in the mail, they go, well, hey, well, I've got a question. Boom, your name and numbers right here, so they can reach out to you. And as I stated, this is the form. You're going to need to complete this and make sure it's legible, because this is where they're going to mail your commissions, okay? So make sure it's clear, okay? Your name, address, your email address, and your phone number needs to be on there, all right? Because all your welcome kit, your leads, everything is going to go to whatever address you put here. If it ever changes down the road, you just email the company and let them know so they can change it, all right? Now, I recommend you mail everything priority so that you can track it and know when it gets to their office, okay? Once it gets to their office and the commissions, my $300 commission is there, they will forward it to me via email. They're very good at that, never had any problems with that. And mail goes out 6 days a week. So you literally could be getting $300 commissions 6 days a week, okay? Every day the mail runs, you could be getting commissions, all right? Now, so here's the personalized website. Just make sure you click this form right here. It says print the form, which will look like this in this blue area. Print it, complete it, mail it in with your 2 money orders, one for $300 and one for $198. And for everybody that joins me in the Tycoon, I'm going to send you 500 leads, 500 names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home, okay? Targeted people. And I will also provide you via email a welcome email with my resources that I use, okay? And ways you can promote this as well. And let me just show you something real quick, guys. You guys have probably seen me open a whole bunch of packages. I couldn't even tell you all the commissions that have come in. But look at, this is just a general, these are some that I could just grab. Every time you receive a commission, they will send you one of these letters, and it has the Tycoon up here so you'll know who joined you. I have tons and tons of these, right? And then I have all these envelopes. This is what you're going to be looking for in the mail. All these envelopes. Every time a commission comes in, they come in these envelopes. You may switch the colors up. But this just shows you, you know, just a handful of all the commissions that I've made with the Tycoon, okay? And it continues to work. I always keep postcards on hand because I will continue to promote the program. Here's some of my cards. Just recently got a box in the mail, actually. And I personalize them as well. So if you're interested in getting your picture on here, when you join me, let me know. See how I have my picture on it? Just personalize it. This is something I do, not the company, so they won't be putting your picture on it. So if you're interested in personalizing, let me know and I'll get that done for you before you order your batch. They're going to come, the company's going to send you 250, okay? But before you order your own, if you want this, let me know, okay? So these cards are very nice, guys. Look at them. They're in color. It's a great cardstock thickness with these, so they won't be damaged in the mail because I use a great printing company that's quality, okay? Quality postcard. So if this sounds like something you're interested in and you're not really interested in with online marketing and you'd rather just be in a direct mail program, I definitely recommend you go check it out, www.thepostcarddiva.com. Get started with me in the program, and I will be happy to talk to you, answer any of your questions, and offer one-on-one ongoing support. Now, I automate the process. I use a capture page, so if you're interested in that, reach out to me. I have the Conversion Pros is what I use. When you go to thepostcarddiva.com, you'll see my capture page. But here's another system. Let me show you this one. See right here, look at this page. You could set this up with your cards, okay, because it has on here, reveal the fastest, simplest way to generate extra income from home, mailing postcards, right? So you could have this set up when people enter their information, they go to your page right here and let it do all the selling and telling. And this way you're collecting the leads, okay, of the people, and you know what mailing list is working for you, okay? With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you in the next video.